Hello! This video is to show you how to utilize Google in order to save your papers and your assignments as docx, a Microsoft Word file. And so the first thing you're going to do is log into Okta, where you would go to grab you online, check your email, or even go into Brightspace. And you're going to notice right down here there's Google Drive. So go ahead and click that. And yours may look a little bit different than mine because I'm an employee. And then we're going to create a new document. So we'll go to Google Docs. All right, we'll name it test doc. And then we're just going to type in, this is just to test the downloading feature. Okay. So now that we've done this, and Google will automatically save. So you can see last edit was seconds ago. That means that it has saved. So we're going to go ahead and go to File. And then we're going to go to Download. And you can see that you have the option here for Microsoft Word and a PDF document. So this is great, especially if you're using something along the lines of a MacBook or something along those lines, so that we can utilize Microsoft Word or we can open a PDF. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and save it as a Microsoft Word document. And it's going to pop up as it would. Great. So when you go to click this, once it's downloaded, down here in the bottom left, it opens up right in Word. And you can see this is just a test. Now, anybody who opens this, an instructor or anything, if they need to edit it for whatever reason, will have to click this button here. But this is exactly how you save a document in Google so that it can be opened in Microsoft. Now we're going to go back real quick. So we'll go to this. And File, Download, PDF document, same exact process. And then we'll wait for it to download. And there you go. It's now a PDF. So if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to your student support specialist. But this is a great feature if you don't have access to Microsoft products and want to be able to turn in your paperwork in a Microsoft format.